What the hell?
Dude, why don't y'all grab me?
That cop is in the fucking way.
Russ, stop it.
Look, he got him holding down. Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Identity Thief Tries to Scam $43,000 Car in Front of 2 Cops.
How you doing, sir? How can I help you, boy? Failing? Yeah, come on over with this way. You looking at a certain vehicle today? Or what kind of vehicle are you looking at? Oh, no, look. It's... Oh, you behind it already. Okay. Yeah, come on over. I'll let you look at the What's your name, sir? Give me a Jeep. Okay. Oh, there you have it? Okay.
In this episode of Cop Cam Max, George heads to a car dealership to pick up a $43,000 Camaro he purchased online. But the dealership employees became suspicious when the 67-year-old claimed that he didn't have any ID. With 2 uniformed officers at the location, one thing is clear about George. He's got more balls than brains.
Yo, ass going to jail.
I did ask him for his ID. He said he already submitted it. That's all.
He cooked. The cops just sitting there waiting on their dumb ass. He didn't see the cop. The cops just don't be sitting at no dealership for no reason, bro.
George, what's going on? How you doing? Can you stand up for me?
67, he ain't even try to put on a disguise.
You got
ID on you?
I don't got my ID on.
No?
No.
You got any sort of information, but you're coming to buy a car?
No, I'm here to pick it up.
Okay, what's your date of birth? What's your date of birth?
1957.
Right. Turn around. Look, you're under arrest. You're under arrest. Do not resist.
Oh, he's resisting.
Why is all grabbing me?
What the hell?
Dude, why don't y'all grab me?
That cop is in the fucking way.
Russ, stop it.
Look, he got him holding down. Bro, how did he get that position?
Why don't y'all grabbing me?
You're under arrest. Stop resisting.
For what?
Bring you out.
1957 for real, bro.
I can't breathe. Let me go.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, if you let me up.
No, we're not letting you up.
What did I do?
This gotta be the dumbest criminal of all time.
Go ahead, I'm tasing. Taser. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. Taser.
Okay.
Get on your stomach. You move, I'm tasing you.
I got bullets in me.
That's fine. Don't get any more. Give me the other hand or else you're getting tased. Give me the other hand.
I would have been like, where you guys shot at so I could put the taser right there.
You're under arrest. That's all you need to know right now.
For what? What am I under arrest for? Stand up. What am I under arrest for?
ID fraud. That's it. You know what it is. Don't play this bullshit. You know you've done this before. Knock it off.
What?
That boy said 1957.
How you injured?
Yes. What's hurt?
What's hurt?
Oh, bullies.
His pride.
What is the issue?
Hey,
Are you
baby.
injured?
Yes.
What hurts?
Everything.
You don't get your phone.
I can have my phone.
Oh, you can't.
This is my right. I can have my phone.
You ain't got no rights when you're arrested.
What did I do wrong?
You have to listen to us. Every other thing is resisting. Let's knock it off.
You hurting me.
Yeah, it doesn't feel good when you're making us fight with you either.
Oh,
God.
you want flip-flop? You don't need that.
They got flip-flops in jail.
You go to jail for week 2.
Oh. This idiot. He got to be dumber than a box of rocks.
What you grabbing me for? What you grabbing me for? You grab my shoe. What's the issue?
I'm out of the.
Grab my phone.
Don't need it right now.
Well, I see your ass. Stop. Dude,
Oh.
Stop it.
You gotta tell me. stop.
Well, stop.
You don't choke me. I'm
Go
throwing
back to the ground.
Oh God, again?
Why is y'all doing? Why is you doing me like that? Why is y'all doing me like that?
You don't need your
I'm
phone.
cooperating.
We're taking your phone as evidence anyways. You're not getting it back.
The second time you didn't cooperate.
That's the second resistant charge with your dumb ass.
I'm cooperating.
That's funny, man. He doesn't need a shoe.
No.
I can't copy her if you want. Just keep him coming for now.
What else I'm doing wrong? Why y'all stay slamming me?
Cause you not listening.
Why y'all stay
You hard of hearing.
slamming me?
Because you're not.
I need all y'all badges.
That's fine. You get it at the jail.
Okay, that's cool. I'm suing you and your fucking family.
You want to
Goofy.
threaten me too?
You're not, yeah, go ahead.
I'm suing you too.
Go ahead. Keep threatening.
No, there ain't no threat. That's a promise.
No,
Oh,
that's fine.
I got bullets in me. Y'all slamming me. Over slamming me.
Listening.
When you
And I'm
fight
injured. No.
fight with us,
I'm
then
injured. No.
you get decentralized.
Over slam me for no reason when I was cooperating. I ain't did nothing wrong.
when you was what?
Me.
Listening.
When you
And I'm injured. No.
fight with us,
I'm
then
injured. No.
you get decentralized.
Over slam me for no reason when I was cooperating. I ain't did nothing wrong.
Okay.
You guys have cameras in your apartment? You good, Ricky?
Yeah, we're good.
You hurting me, man. Get off me.
No, you keep
I
messing
got
around.
bullets in my neck.
I don't know where the other is.
I can't
You
help
just
it.
slam me.
Then lay there and
suing
don't
you.
move. Lay
No.
there and don't move.
I'm suing y'all. Need everybody badge in here. I bet y'all get fired.
All right,
Front picture.
Cause y'all just slam me for no reason.
that's fine.
Everything is on body cam, bro. I doubt they get fired.
Go picture rest.
You got it.
What's going on?
You're going to jail, but you called for an
For
ambulance.
what?
I said for ID fraud, resisting, possession of
Fraud? What
marijuana.
fraud? I got sent
You got
here.
everything right now.
What's your birthday again?
I got sent here.
You were born in 1957?
I'm born in 1999.
Thank you.
Okay, well that helps.
You already gave us false information.
We got your ID. It says 1957.
Yeah.
George, right? What's your real name?
What you talking about?
What's your real name?
What's your real name? I know. I can't wait. I can't wait. I need all y'all names and y'all information.
That's cool.
But he tired as hell.
Dude, don't grab my fucking hair. Don't grab my hair.
Don't get the fuck.
Grab my fucking hair. What is wrong with you? Don't grab me like that. Don't grab me. Don't grab me no more.
Does it making
You
you feel?
grab my hair again. You grab my hair again. You just called me a nigga. Don't touch me. Don't
I don't think I heard the N word.
touch me. Don't touch me. Can you tell them to move off me, sir? I'm ready for you to grab me. Don't get off me.
You don't get to pick and choose who you deal with.
Okay, you just grab my fucking hair.
Yeah.
Y'all let the women do it.
You guys,
I spit on you. Don't grab me no more.
He's been kicky.
outside. We got enough here now. Hey, let's go.
No, he can.
We're gonna roll you onto your knees. So you
I can
drag
stand
you.
up.
Roll you onto your knees.
I can
There you
stand
go.
up.
Come on.
I can stand up. That's why I'm able for. Y'all just
What?
over profiling me.
No.
No, we're good.
What you say?
Get it other side. You spread the
Alright, stop, Brad. Man, can you let me go? I don't want you to hold me, man. What you over grabbing me for?
You can go to my car.
We're trying to run.
I'm trying to get up. You slamming me.
Oh,
You grabbing me for like that?
You're acting a fool.
I'm not. Alright. I got bullets in me, y'all stay man.
We didn't put him in yet.
did they just? Oh man, it just keeps getting better and better.
Your life choices are yours, not mine.
What you doing that for, man? Stop hurting me.
No, we're good.
You hurting me for what? I just told you, sir, I got bullets in me.
What's your name?
Why you stay doing me like that?
What's your name?
You have the whole county covered.
Why you stay doing me like that?
You can't.
That is wild.
Realizing that you have these rights, do you wish to consult with an attorney?
I don't understand.
Do you want a lawyer?
I don't understand.
Do you want to speak to a
I
lawyer?
don't understand.
Okay. So you're under arrest for misappropriation of ID, okay?
What's-
And resisting, obstructing, okay?
Grab me, I got bullets.
All right.
Fat ass.
Yeah, your birthday, he goes 57. And as soon as you grabbed him, he just started turning around.
1957.
That's what the ID says.
I need whatever he's.
Yeah.
He looks good. Yeah.
Bro, he could have at least did like 1985 or something believable. This boy said, man.
See who these people are because they're just circling the block.
I'll try to get it.
I didn't really do a search. Here, we can do it. So, can you guys, Bernie, daughter, come here.
Yeah, that's fine. We're not asking.
I can step out, don't grab me.
I'm gonna grab.
I'm suing you.
That's fine.
I'm gonna find out.
Oh, I know you didn't just say that.
You know that.
Is that a threat?
No,
Is that a threat?
no, you stay.
Basically a threat.
Is that a threat?
You hurting me. And then you threatening on me.
You're gonna find out where I live? That sounds like a threat to me.
No, you threatening me. You call me a nigga. Stop. What y'all hurting me for? I got bullets in my body.
Nobody's hurting you. You're being a
I
moron.
got bullets in my body.
Okay,
man.
we didn't put them there.
Okay, but you hurting me, dude.
So don't run
Run.
and stop trying to fight us. Let us search you, and then you can go back in the car.
Yeah, let him grope you, bro.
I don't know what's going on. Y'all hurting me, man.
Okay, you're under arrest, bro. That's the easy answer. What's your name, man?
I'm on everybody's badge.
Burnside's next to you, 207. Stetner 211's on the other side of you. I'm Sergeant Dutter, 198 behind you.
Sarge, what they doing all that for?
I am the sergeant, and we're doing that because you're resisting.
I know you the sheriff, but I'm saying I'm asking you, Sarge, what you doing all that for?
Because you are resisting. You are actively trying to pull back from the
I'm
car.
okay.
Just relax, and you'll be fine.
I'm okay though.
You're not acting okay. Sounds like you tried to pawn off a bad ID. Trying to steal a car.
Chill out, dude.
You're born in 1957? What's your diet and exercise? Because I'd love to look like you when I'm 65 years old. Go ahead, put your foot in.
Can I get my other shoe, man?
You can just keep adding every resisting to it.
I'm not resisting.
You are. Due to his violent and evasive behavior, he's going to stay in handcuffs exactly how he is.
Just give me your finger, dude.
Man, y'all making that harder.
All you had to do is cooperate, bro. Oh, cooperate, whatever you said. Oh.
All right, to the ground. Let's go. Okay, down to the ground, bud.
Damn.
What happened?
Give me your hand.
I'm just getting y'all, man.
Unfurl your fingers.
I know y'all getting ready.
You're going to get pepper sprayed. You want to get pepper sprayed? Put your fucking hands out.
My hands out, sir.
Oh, see now.
What? Y'all doing me?
You're going to have to go through this process. You're going to jail. Simple as that. Just go with the process so you don't add to it.
You see how they do me, man?
No, you're doing this to yourself.
I'm not here.
And we're all getting wet in the rain because of your foolishness too.
Yeah, they got the fingerprint right there. Oh, damn.
It doesn't feel good on the ground. We don't want to be on the ground.
Do it feel good when you on the ground?
No, it feels horrible. On the ground. I don't want to do any of this. I want you to go to the hospital, get checked out, and then go to jail.
Y'all just made me worse, man.
Say cheese.
Y'all just made me worse. Why would y'all just do that, man?
They some hoes.
Listening to resist.
That's bogus, man. Why would y'all do that? Can you get off me? I can't breathe, man. What the fuck? I can't breathe. I got.
Good thing the ambulance is right here.
Oh, bogus, man.
Put this foot in.
Knees up to your chest.
I'm suing y'all, man.
Knees up to your chest.
How if I can't get
Bring
up?
your knees up.
I got shot. I can't get up. I used to be paralyzed.
Well, then it's a miracle you can walk. And we're going to the car.
And this boy still scamming. You supposed to change your life around, idiot.
Oh, back to it.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel. And that's it, baby. We out.